This is Test Kitchen Quarantine. We're making naan bread. In a bowl, you're gonna put 1 pack of instant yeast. Then you're gonna place 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 heaping tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of warm water. Whisk those together, add in 3 cups of flour, form your dough, and knead it for 10 minutes. Don't be worried, it may seem a little dry, but keep kneading, work those arms till it comes together and it's bouncy to the touch. Cut it into 4 pieces, roll it with a rolling pin into your desired shape. I cooked it 2 ways, 2 to 3 minutes each side on a flat cast iron grill, then also placed it in a non-stick pan, cooked it for 2 minutes, flipped it, added in butter, garlic, and parsley. That was my favorite. But you can also bake it in the oven. What's good about this flatbread is you can eat it the traditional way, or you can use it as a flatbread pizza.